Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best cordless edger is probably one of the most essential tools for achieving that professional, manicured look for your lawn, providing clean lines and crisp edges that elevate your yard's curb appeal. This video will dive into the top features to look for when selecting a cordless lawn edger, helping you choose the perfect model to effortlessly maintain your landscape and create the perfect lawn edging. Number 5. Worx GT 3.0 String Trimmer. This 2-in-1 trimmer and edger makes yard work a breeze. It's lightweight and easy to use, perfect for any homeowner. Quickly switch between trimming and edging with its simple conversion design. Save time and effort with this versatile tool. It features a push-button command feed spool system for instant line, so you can get back to work quickly. Plus, enjoy free spools for life. The head tilts 90 degrees, allowing you to tackle any terrain and reach those hard-to-reach spots. No more struggling with awkward angles. The rubberized wheels provide stability and help you create clean, straight edges. The adjustable spacer guard protects your plants and landscaping. It boasts a 7,600 RPM no-load speed and weighs only 5.3 pounds. Two powerful 20V max lithium batteries are included and compatible with other Worx tools. What we like. It easily converts between trimmer and edger, saving you time and space. The instant line feed system ensures you're always ready to go. If you value convenience and versatility, this is the tool for you. What people say. It is really light and makes trimming and edging seem almost fun now. The auto feed works on this almost flawlessly. I've only had to open the cap with the line twice. Much lighter than the original. The 2 extra batteries are awesome. I can literally finish my entire yard with one battery. The trimmer is easy to use, lightweight, and I did the entire property with just 2 batteries, that even included edging about 150 feet. The battery charged quickly. Number 4. Greenworks 40V13 Cordless Trimmer. Say hello to effortless lawn care. This trimmer tackles tough grass and weeds with ease, saving you time and energy. It's got a powerful 40V motor that makes light work of overgrown areas. You'll get a clean cut every time. With a 13-inch cutting path and auto-feed head, you'll cover more ground quickly and efficiently. No more stopping to manually feed the line. It's a trimmer and edger in one. The 90-degree rotating head and pivoting design give you the versatility to tackle any landscaping task. Take control with the variable speed trigger. Easily adjust the cutting speed to maneuver around delicate plants and shrubs. Its lightweight design and ergonomic handle reduce user fatigue, making it comfortable for extended use. Plus, the battery recharges in just 60 minutes. Enjoy the convenience of a maintenance-free trimmer. No gas, oil, or emissions, just instant, quiet power. What we like. This trimmer boasts powerful performance and a wide cutting swath, making quick work of any yard. Its lightweight design reduces fatigue during longer use. If you need power and efficiency, this is the one for you. What people say. The 40V battery provides plenty of power, allowing me to trim and edge my entire lawn on a single charge. The 13-inch cutting path is perfect for getting the job done quickly and efficiently, and the dual functionality as a trimmer and edger is incredibly convenient. All 3 pieces of equipment are light, easy to maneuver, and appear to be very sturdy. The mower mulches grass significantly better than most of the gas-powered mowers I have used. Number 3. Worx WG154 String Trimmer. Save space and money with this versatile tool. It's a string trimmer and edger in one, perfect for any yard. Effortlessly convert it between trimming and edging. Simply rotate the head 180 degrees. Weighing in at only 4.2 pounds, it's comfortable and easy to handle for everyone. It's perfect for quick and efficient yard work. Never worry about running out of line. It features an automatic feed system for continuous trimming. Protect your plants and landscaping. The adjustable guard prevents accidental trimming of delicate areas. It comes complete with a 20V battery, charger, trimmer spool, and safety guard. Everything you need to get started. This tool is part of the Worx PowerShare family. One battery powers over 75 other tools. What we like. This lightweight 2-in-1 tool is perfect for smaller yards or those who prefer a less bulky option. The automatic line feed ensures a smooth, uninterrupted trimming experience. If you value simplicity and ease of use, this is the ideal choice. What people say. The string feed is automatic and comes out easily. It is lightweight and easy to use. The battery was already charged out of the box. Although the trim line is not as thick as it could be, it seems to hold up well. This thing works great and does an awesome job. I have a decent size front and backyard and it took care of everything on one battery with no issues. It is lightweight and easy to use, I'd say about half as heavy as traditional trimmers. This trimmer works well for me since it's lightweight. First time I used it today and did a whole lot of weed whacking and it worked great. The string worked good too and I'm very pleased with it. Number 2. Worx WG184 String Trimmer. This is the Worx WG184, a powerful and versatile cordless string trimmer and edger. It's perfect for tackling any landscaping job, big or small. It's powered by two 20V batteries for a total of 40V, giving you the power you need to get the job done quickly and efficiently. A full charge takes just an hour. Easily switch between trimming and edging with its simple conversion design. It's like getting two tools in one. This innovative system lets you feed more line instantly with the touch of a button. No more wrestling with tangled line. Adjust the speed to match the thickness of the grass. Increase speed for tough weeds, and decrease it to extend battery life. It features professional-grade trimmer line for sharp, clean cuts and a professionally landscaped look. You'll be amazed at the results. The D-grip handle and pivoting head make it comfortable to use, no matter the angle or terrain. You can easily adjust it to your preferred position. What we like. Get professional results with this powerful trimmer's variable speed and innovative line feed system. It offers precise control for various grass types and terrains. If you demand professional-grade performance, this is your best option. What people say. The power, the edger mode, the wheels for edging, the battery weight, light, overall weight, strength of aluminum shaft, multi-position handle for adjusting angles, all working great. It works so great my brother tried it and he has a big still trimmer and loved mine, said he was going to get one. This trimmer has just as much power as any gas-powered trimmer I've ever used. Plenty of torque to cut through thick, overgrown brush. Number 1. 20V Multi-Tool Kit. This versatile kit is perfect for all your yard work needs. It includes a weed whacker, leaf blower, and wheeled edger, all powered by a long-lasting battery. It features a powerful motor spinning at 7,500 RPM for efficient trimming. The single-line auto feed eliminates the need for manual line adjustments. Clear leaves and debris quickly with its 260 CFM and 81 miles per hour blowing power. It's lightweight and easy to maneuver. Easily switch between trimming and edging with the innovative wheel design. It's perfect for creating crisp edges along walkways and gardens. The telescopic shaft and adjustable auxiliary handle allow you to customize it to your height and preferred working style. It ensures comfortable and efficient operation. The included 2Ah batteries provide ample runtime, and a fast charger gets it back to full power in just 1.2 hours. Get back to work quickly. What we like. This 3-in-1 tool is perfect for those who want versatility. The fast-charging battery ensures minimal downtime, and the automatic line feed adds to the convenience. If you need a versatile and efficient tool, this is for you. What people say. It does exactly what I need and cheaper than repairing my gas. The blower is nice, it could be a little more powerful, but it just takes me a few seconds longer. This product performs the two utilities I've used, which is weed whacker and hedger. The power and cutting is not in question, just its ease of use for someone my size. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.